If you guys watched the video yesterday, you're probably wondering how to monitor your drawdown inside of RTrader when connected to NinjaTrader. Like I showed in yesterday's video, every time we go ahead and we connect to Rithmic, we're back to getting this pesky little message. You have been logged out because another program has logged in with your credentials and would cause your session count to exceed its maximum limit. So now we're at a problem. How do we see how much drawdown we actually have, because we cannot get all that information inside of NinjaTrader? Well, for that, it's a very simple solution. But first, I want to remind you guys, at least at the time of recording this video, Take Profit Traders having 30% off all their evaluation accounts. And the best part yet, no activation fee. Take advantage of this offer. Use the link in the description box down below. It'll bring you to a page like this. You can simply left click where it says Epitome, copies it to your clipboard, and be ready to use at checkout. Or you can simply type in promo code Epitome when you go to check out. I'm going to come right back up here to the RTrader Pro login window. And again, we want to make sure that we have orders turned on, check mark. We want to make sure we have the user ID number. We also want to make sure we inserted that password that I showed you guys how to get that yesterday. System, Rithmic, paper trading, then gateway needs to be set to Chicago. However, we need to go ahead where it says market data down here. We need to then go ahead and turn that off. If you're actually going to be executing trades inside of RTrader, then this would have to be turned on. But if you're going to go ahead, execute your trades inside of Ninja, that must be turned off. So I'm going to go ahead and click login. I went ahead and disconnected once again from the data inside of the data connection. And let's see, do we get that error message? You see, I'm not connected to any data at this moment. Go right over here where it says TPT. And let's see. We do not get any error message, and we see the charts are trying to repopulate as I'm speaking at this moment. So how do we go ahead and see how much drawdown we actually have in our account? Well, for that, we need to pull back over the RTrader window, and you can go ahead and adjust the font for each one of these columns. It is a little bit of a pain in the butt, but one of the things we want to do, right click right over here on the chart where it says add or remove columns. Let's go ahead and select that real quick. That brings us to this window. Let's talk about, let's clean up this a little bit so we can just see the information we need. If we look at long exposure, we can turn that off. Short exposure, turn that off. Well, I definitely want the open profit and loss, the close profit and loss, P&L, account balance, cash on hand, we don't really need. Maximum allowable loss, we don't need that. Working by order quantity, we can go ahead and turn all of that off. Sell quantity, fill quantity, net position, we can leave that on just to make sure we don't have any, so we can see if we have any positions on or not. Risk algorithm, turn that off. Available margin, we want to keep that. Minimum account balance, I want to keep that. Reserve buying power, we don't need that turned on. Use buying power, we don't need that turned on. Again, we're dealing with prop firm money. We don't have to worry about buying power. Equity commission structure, we don't need to worry about that. Available buying power, turn that off. Equity option commissions, turn that off as well. Scroll down here a little bit. Cash on hand in the day. If you want to see how much, at the end of the previous session you had, you can leave that on. Open, we're going to turn off the open, long, short, close options, reserved cash for options, auto liquidate, we're going to leave that on. Total commissions, we can turn that off. Auto liquidation threshold, we want to leave that on. Then I'm going to go ahead and select OK. Now we can see the columns have definitely dramatically came down here quite a bit. Now, what we want to look at is look at the minimum account balance. So right now, since this is a brand new 50K account, the account balance cannot fall below $4,800. Why is that? Well, with Take Profit Trader, we only have $2,000 of drawdown. So I have the maximum amount of drawdown because I have not yet placed a trade. Now, as I come back over here and I look at the screen a little bit, we can also clean this up here just a bit. We can see where it says alert status. You can turn that off. Where it says account currency, you can turn that off if you choose to. Available margin, it's not showing up. We can go ahead and deselect that. Minimum account balance, we have to have that turned on. Auto liquidation value, I'm really surprised there's nothing there. Some prop firms have that, some don't. We can turn those, go ahead and turn those off. Then if we look down here where it says status, and it says trigger. So now if we go ahead and we click OK, we can see we only have what is needed. What is the minimum account balance our account is able to go to before we're actually going to get liquidated. Now, this is how we go ahead and see the data inside of Rithmic. Now, if you're on the fence between Rithmic data or the CQG data and you want to see the difference of how to monitor the drawdown between the Rithmic and now how to do it inside of Tradevate, aka CQG data, make sure to watch this next video right here.